Medical surgical specialist started out as the Cleveland Clinic in Naples, Florida. We did transition to leadership under Health Management Associates, and this has gone exceedingly well. I'm on the board of directors, and working with the HMA team is a pleasure. We've got doctors who were professors at some of the best institutions in the country and chose to come and practice here. We are blessed to have doctors who are educated and trained at places like Harvard, Yale, Stanford, the University of Michigan, top-notch places all across the board. We have doctors who are the teachers of other doctors. The whole thought behind medical surgical specialists is that we would integrate everything for the care and comfort of the patient. We all use one electronic medical record system. So that means when a patient comes to see me, the patient knows that I will know what Dr. Beatty had to say. We all work together. We all know each other. We all work as a team. We see everybody for everything.
Top doctors are people who, in the course of their profession, have been selected primarily by patients as being somebody who represents their field to the best of the current ability. They're the best trained doctors. They're the most empathetic doctors, and the doctors who are willing to go the extra mile for the patient. I primarily do hip and knee replacements in middle-aged and older adults here in Naples.
In 1970, I got called to try out for the United States Olympic team.
Mr. Bokwinski was an athlete as a younger man and maintained a great deal of his athletic prowess well into his senior years.
Soccer is a very strenuous sport for the knees because you sprint, you jump, you run.
He had a unique situation among people who wear out their knees, who develop knee arthritis. And probably somewhere between 15-20% of patients would qualify for the procedure that we ultimately provided to Mr. Bokwinski, and that's something called a partial knee replacement.
Doctor's there, he says, small incision, both of my knee needed to be redone.
The technology has achieved great forward leaps in orthopedics. We have instruments and devices to implant that are so much better than they were 30, 40 years ago.
Orthopedic department here is just unbelievable, fantastic. This man, I call him the man with the golden hands.
With more than 60 expert physicians specializing in nearly 30 medical fields, Medical Surgical Specialists is Southwest Florida's one stop for complete and comprehensive medical care. Now accepting new patients. Call 239-348-4400 for an appointment today, or visit us online at www.medical-surgical.org.